Okay everybody, what we're going to do today is something a little bit different. I'm cleaning up the Grand River here in front of my house. I've been working at it for a while now and I've already taken some stuff out, but the mission for today is there's 3 shopping carts that I want to pull out of here, and they're on the other side on that island thing over there, and I'm going to have to swim across this with a rope, attach the rope and then drag it back across. However, it's very, very dangerous because there's large snapping turtles here and they bite first and ask questions later, and there's catfish, big catfish with big thorns, and you don't want to get stuck with any of that. And just judging by the amount of trash that I pulled out, there's a lot of underwater hazards like glass and pieces of steel and rebar, and if you swim into something like that and you get that in the leg or the chest, you can die. So this is very dangerous what I'm about to do, because I've never actually gone through this water before, so I don't know what's underneath the water, and so it's a risk. So I'm going to have to do that, and we're going to get started on that. It's not that I'm chicken, I'm just, like I said, it's just very dangerous water and I've never been in it before, and it just makes me a little bit nervous. So bring this over here. Okay, I'm just fixing to cross the river here. I'm going to go after the first shopping cart. I'm a little bit nervous about it because it's very dangerous. There's large snapping turtles in here that'll bite. There's huge catfish with huge thorns. There's all kinds of broken glass and chunks of steel sticking up, and if you hit any of these things, depending on where it hits you in the body, it could kill you. So I'm a little bit nervous about that. It's unknown water, so to speak, and I'm going to head across there now and wish me luck, because I think I'm going to need it. This isn't the way that I would prefer to do this, but it's the only way to do this, so I'm doing it, and I'm the only person to do it. standing in mud up to my knees. I can do this without the rope. Oh, that was easier than I thought it was going to be. And it was shallower than I thought it was going to be. But it's amazing, I can see animal tracks in the bottom of the river. Could be from a dog or a deer or something. But it had to be something with long legs out there. And when you get to the other side, it's mud. I'm standing in mud up to my knees. That's a gross feeling. All right, I'm fixing to go across to get the second cart, so away I go. Slowly and cautiously. I see another one out there. Oh, uh-oh, getting deep. Oh, muddy. Oh, gross. Oh, God. Oh. Oh my God. Oh, that bottom is so muddy.
Hey, is that a bullfrog in your pocket, or are you just happy to see me?
I got a bullfrog in my pocket.
Oh my God. You picked up a bullfrog and put it in your pocket.
Yeah, I just wanted to show you. I'm gonna let him go. You ready? Fly! Be free! You weren't recording, were you?
Yes, I was.
Oh, my other ankle. I got two sore ankles. Oh, this is gross. Okay, remember me mentioning earlier how I was worried about swimming into something like a piece of steel and it going into my leg or in my chest cavity and killing me? This is exactly the thing I was worried about right here. If you look at the end of that sharpened to like a pencil type point and solid steel, or metal anyways, and yeah, if you swim into this, you get that in the chest or in the leg, there's a good chance you're going to die. But that's what I was dealing with, that's what I was worried about. And that's one of the reasons I'm doing this, is to get these hazards out of the river, because this just shouldn't be there. It's dangerous, it's unsightly, you can't take pictures or shoot nice video here, kids can't play here, animals, dogs can't run around here, there's too much broken glass and stuff. It ruins it for everybody just by throwing all this different types of trash in there. But I wanted to show you, this is the stuff that kills right here. That's what I was worried about. That's why I had concerns about swimming in this water, because God knows what's under there, and you can easily swim into something like that, and if you're alone, you're in big trouble. But I made sure today my cameraman has my phone on standby for 911 just in case something was to happen. And I wasn't going to do this alone without a cameraman, so yeah, you need to be safe. So I wanted to show you all this. This is what I'm fighting against right here. So please respect our rivers. Okay, there you go. I just got all these carts out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I pulled out a bunch of other miscellaneous pieces of steel, like some car springs and some mufflers and some metal piping, old metal chair. But that's quite a bit of garbage, as you can see, in just such a small area. And this isn't including the pile of debris I have up there and all the glass and stuff. So there you go. Another job well done. Well, almost. I still got to get it up to the top of this hill and have the city come and pick it up. Well, here you go. This is some of the stuff that I've pulled out of the Grand River. As you can see, there's a mix of everything from shopping carts to manhole covers, beds, rebar, plumbing, springs off cars, you name it, it's all here. It's pretty disgusting actually, but I got a lot of stuff out and I'm really happy about that. But here you go. I wanted to show you guys a sampling of what I pulled out of the river by myself here. And hopefully it'll raise some awareness for people to not throw things in the river.